What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy, a geek from Hong Kong. So let me show you the Huawei Honor Note 10 flashlight. You can easily pull the flashlight from the below. Okay, here's the flashlight, but I wanna make a little bit darker. I mean it's already bright, right? Let me make the scene a little bit darker. Now it's better, right? So you're alone, you're dark, suddenly there's no light. Okay, I mean can you see? Okay, the flashlight is good. I mean, it's not that bright, which I was expecting, but it can get the job done. I mean, can you see? Yeah, it's not like going far away, but it can get the job done, as you can see. So this is like, I mean, this is like without the flashlight, and this is with the flashlight. So this is how the flashlight or the torch work on the Huawei Honor Note 10. It was me, none other than Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe. Bye.